Alright, here we go. Another trip to the track. We're almost there. Looks like it's only me and David and Rodney that I know of. If anybody else shows up, it's new news to me. Here's the awesomeness of track night. They're preparing for a drift event tomorrow.
Bring them around the set. Get those rides checked in and going down the track.
.780 at 87.
Here we go. McNugget with that ported intake. We got a special intake on here that David scienced up. And what Kevin's going to do is he's going to use David's own weapon against him. See how this goes. David with his cost-effective burnout, meaning no cost, because he does no burnout. All right, Peter, Chris, Paul Stanley, Ace Frehley, and Gene Simmons get ready to go on a ride. .96 at 87. David went 843 at 80.3. Oh damn, they're gonna get on to me. I shouldn't be walking on the track. Dang it. Here they come. Back for another attack. Science has failed. It ain't science, is it, David? It's the driver. It's okay, I'm recording on my camera. Yeah. David ain't gonna say no. Look at him.
Well, I was far enough behind.
Hey, we'll talk about this on the sly. Wink, wink. What happened there, Cold Trickle? Hey, was you double clutching?
I was scared of missing a gear big time.
Man, don't be scared. You can't drive scared, son. How many times have I told you this? Kung Fu fight scared? No. He take on the whole damn town with one arm tied behind his back. Son, get in there and drive angry. Drive angry. Can't race scared. I done slowed my car down enough to where you can get me. Go get it. Go get it. Hey. He said, I'm scared to miss a gear. He said it in that voice, literally. I said, you can't drive scared, son. You can't.
You're supposed to be driving mad. That's why you set him up to do that, right?
He's one of those guys that gets mad behind the scenes. And we call it pouting. He calls it mad. You know what I mean? You know how it is. You see me get mad. We get mad. I see you, the stove say, tell him you threw that intake on the ground, damn it.
I was mad.
You wasn't mad. Oh, I don't see you mad. Hell, you would have threw it out on the track. Or you would have broke it in half. Oh! You feel that, Johnny Tran? You heard it? You and your dad gonna roll together, Jesse? He got 200K under the hood of that car. You can't run with that. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, get mad, get mad. We're gonna sell tickets for this. The circus is in town. Look at David. Look, he ain't gonna do a burnout again either. Yep. Come on, McNugget, do it right. Dang, that thing was loud. Golly. Nobody telling me my car's loud. This car's out here that loud. Street cars. Get him, McNugget. Get him, McNugget. Come on, man. Kevin ain't gonna edit none of this out. Video gonna be 39 minutes long. Feel that? Dang. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do a burnout. Let's get it going. We're just wasting battery. We're wasting film. We're just wasting film. This isn't some major production company. Come on, man. Kevin's getting. You're just giving Kevin too much time to psych himself out now. See you guys. Look at this. They getting a good prep for you. Oh, they're prepping it up. You shouldn't open the door. You probably can't get it closed now. It might fall off.
McNugget's gonna overheat.
Dang it. David's chilling. Oh, they give him the signal. I don't even know what that was. I guess Kevin decided the line lock was optional. Oh, he's gonna back it up and do it again. He's a professional racer. Just do it 3 or 4 times. It's gonna be bad right here. Watch, it's gonna wheel hop. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice clutch smell. Yeah. Kill the clutch. Just do that. Just kill it. Don't get the tires wet. Heck with it. Kevin red lit. 794 at 86.8, 850 at 80.
4-4 clutch.
Yeah. I know it. And just in case anyone knows, when he puts his Mortal Kombat domination in there, he red lit like a son of a gun. That's right. I'm calling you out. I red lit on my pass too, so what the hell. See you guys. The tires were dry as a bone. When you backed up, I thought you were going all the way into the water. Oh, they were dry from the first attempt.
Well, this night was ended after 2 passes. We got rained out. We had almost an hour of straight rain, so no more fun for tonight. Let's go over these whopping 2 time slips from the 2 passes I made. Here's the first one. David had brought another intake for me to try out with a 80mm throttle body and a lightning meter. So I didn't get to do it any justice because I just messed that pass all up. And then the second and last pass, I smoked the clutch and it suffered on that pass too. So maybe next time around we'll get to see how that works out. This has been 2 weeks in a row of 2 passes each time. And I smoked the clutch on the second burnout because I was so frustrated from sitting there for so long waiting on them to clean up something that a Jeep that ran in front of me dropped on the track. I don't know if he had his air conditioner on or what, but it took him a while to get that mopped up, so the temperature was climbing in McNugget, and that got me flustered and not thinking straight, so that didn't go well. So let's end this video with a little bit of junkyard fun with Rodney. See you guys next time. What did we just find in this awesome Jeep?
I would like to call this a Viking battle hat, but it's missing both horns. So I'm not sure if it's just like a bitch helmet. Is this like a female one? Were they allowed to have horns? Dang it! I thought I was about to be a real Viking.
Oh, missed out.
Yeah, that's nice.
We're at our usual spot, Whataburger. I tried to be different and order a taquita.
And fate.
And I missed it by 17 minutes.
17.
So
You've never seen the movie Falling Down.
we got to get the usual.
Yeah, number 13, no sauce.
Then it's off to the junkyard.
Off to the junkyard.
Look here, we didn't find any good cars, but look at all the trinkets and toys that have been found now.
Look at this. It's Christmas one.
Ooh, it ain't even Christmas time yet.
It's getting close. Walmart's got Christmas stuff up.
That's true.
That's true.
What's that one for?
This is for Brad, because he plays the skins for his church. Not sure what that means. I'm not sure what kind of church he goes to, where they play the drums. Is it the Tommy Lee set, or what do they do? But yeah,
Oh.
That's why we can't have nothing nice.
That's right.
Can't have nothing nice.
We have found a tire for Rodney's car.
Yeah, look at that thing.
Might sit a little funny, but it'll work. It's holding air.
Pull a wheelie with that. No lie. Getting out of Mustangs.
What's this? Who would own this truck?
Mandy, your wife. This is her from her tribe. Look at this damn thing. You kidding me? There ain't a place in the South you couldn't go in this and be welcome. Open arms. I mean, look at it. God damn. Holy shit. Dude, I'm getting a freaking moonshine high just standing next to it. I'm getting a hold on. I'm gonna tell you something nice, son of a bitch. This is a damn righteous truck right here. We go hunting in it, fishing in it, mudding in it, and we loving in it. Okay, you hear me now? Shit, that made me think of my grandpappy's cornbread when she made it.
Just be careful when you step up here.
Yeah.
A little bit loose.
It's like a trampoline. Oh, they got a mirror.
Who's that a present for?
What? Kevin? Have you got any fantasies that I could fulfill?
You think we could change the ride height of one of the cars with this spring?
That thing will ride stiff as a mofo too. Look how thick that is.
Low and stiff.
Probably a few other little things I like to get.
Okay, so we're leaving and you're empty-handed.
Not
Nothing at the junkyard today.
Oh, there's some out there. They just ain't put it out on the lot. When they do, be on that thing like a buzzard on a hit possum, tearing parts off of it. That big Mustang. They teasing me with it, but I'm gonna get my stuff. I'm gonna get mine. That's the way it's gonna be. I'm Mad Max scavenge that thing. Cuban still dies. Like Lord humongous up in there.
Right on.
And I have no idea what I'm gonna use the parts for either. I just can't let them go to waste. Gotta